Hello friends, welcome to Super Surprise Toys. In today's video we are going to learn lots of different colours and some of the characters from the famous TV series PAW Patrol. Okay, let's start with our first egg. It's an orange egg and inside we have pink Play-Doh. Let's open it to find out what's hidden inside this pink Play-Doh. And here we've got a white cat. This is one of the Kitty Catastrophe crew. He belongs to Mayor Hangdinger. Our next egg is blue, and inside we also have blue Play-Doh. Let's have a look and see what's inside this blue Play-Doh. It's Rubble's yellow bulldozer. Rubble is a little bulldog puppy. He loves to do construction work with his vehicle. We now have a yellow egg. And it's got blue Play-Doh inside. Who do you think is going to be inside the Play-Doh this time? It's Chase! Chase is a German Shepherd puppy. He always wears his blue uniform. Next up is another blue egg. And inside we've got red Play-Doh. Let's discover who our next character is going to be. It's Rubble! Rubble is really playful and he's always laughing. He is wearing a yellow uniform. Now let's go on to the next egg, and we have a pink egg with pink Play-Doh inside. Let's see who is hidden inside this Play-Doh. It looks like this is Marshall. Marshall is a Dalmatian puppy. He is a fire puppy. He is wearing a red uniform. Okay, now let's get the orange egg. We've got green Play-Doh inside. Let's open it up to find out who's inside this time. It's Zuma! Zuma is a brown Labrador puppy. She's in charge of water rescues. And she is wearing an orange uniform. next egg is the colour green, and it's filled with purple Play-Doh. Who are we going to discover inside the Play-Doh this time? It looks like it's Zuma again. Zuma loves the water. She enjoys having fun surfing the waves. In this video, we've seen two Zumas. One big one and a little one. We're now going to get the purple egg, and it's filled with orange Play-Doh. It's Marshall! Marshall is a really clumsy pups. He's always falling over and bumping into things. He loves having fun and playing with his friends. Our next egg is yellow, and it's filled with yellow Play-Doh. Let's open it up and see what we can find. This looks like Rocky's recycling truck. Rocky likes to recycle with his green truck. And now I am going to get the pink egg, and it's got blue Play-Doh inside. And hidden inside this Play-Doh we've got Chickaleta. Chickaleta is white. Chickaleta is Mayor Goodway's pet. Chickaleta is always getting into trouble, but Ryder and the pups are there to save the day. Our next egg is the colour green, and it's filled with yellow Play-Doh inside. It looks like it's going to be Rocky! Rocky is a recycling expert, and he is wearing a green uniform. And our last egg for today is a purple egg, and it's filled with pink Play-Doh. And let's open it up, see what we can find inside. It looks like it's another one of the Kitty Catastrophe crew. This time we have an orange kitty. I hope you liked learning colours and discovering the PAW Patrol characters that we had hidden inside the surprise eggs today. And that is all for today, friends. Thanks for watching Super Surprise Toys, and I will see you next time. Bye!